Are you looking for ways to monetize your network or your content or whatever the case, make extra money for yourself? I know you are, because I am too, and this is pretty exciting. I'm doing it and I know you benefit from it as well. So let's get to it. Hey beautiful people, I am Matilda from CultureTribe.com, a place for entrepreneurs and growth-oriented people that are all about making those money moves so that we can live an abundant life. So guys, this video is in partnership with Infinite Trading Power, a multi-licensed broker that's all about empowering us to trade on things like Forex, commodities, futures, crypto, all those beautiful things so that we can make that extra money and take part in the world's largest market where trillions of dollars move in that space every day. I need to mention that so that we remember how much money we are talking about here. Okay, so guys, if you're looking for a way to monetize, you can actually become an IX partner. An IX partner is basically somebody that introduces people onto the Infinite Trading platform and make extra money from that. Now, there's so many benefits that you can get from doing this. Here are 4 benefits you get from being an IX partner with Infinite. Number 1 is the best payout in the industry, paid regularly. So IX Partners has provided over $50 million in commissions so far. Partners can earn up to $1,200 per referral, $20 per lot, or a combination of both. Number 2, top tier lifestyle benefits. So IB competition, that is an introducing broker competition. So like if you introduce somebody, you're an introducing broker. So there's a competition with luxury prizes such as yacht parties, award ceremonies, exclusive networking events, things like that. So if that gets you excited, you need to get onto this. The dedicated account managers and partner portal to help you grow your business. So help you come up with a strategy, how you're going to look after your network and all those things. Then number 4 is PAM and MUM accounts that let you trade on behalf of your clients from one account. So if your clients are having a problem with actually understanding the world of trading, Forex, and all those things, you can actually trade for them and make the money for them. Of course, they do get their money because you're not here to, forcefully get people's money, but you're doing the right thing, right? So that will be the benefit. You can actually trade for people. So the more people you get on your network, the more money you can make. So now the question becomes, how do you become an IX partner where you can introduce clients to the Infinite Trading platform? So it's so simple. So simple, it's ridiculous. So the first thing you have to do is get to the website, get to the Infinite website and click on Apply Now. You can click the link in the description box below where you will be directed straight to the Infinite website and you can click on Apply Now. Once you fill out the fields and complete the forms, you automatically have submitted your application and they will get in touch with you. As easy as that. So guys, that is how you can actually monetize on the Infinite Trading Power. They're allowing us to make money not just by trading through Forex, commodities, crypto, and things of that nature, but actually monetizing our networks. So guys, I am so glad to give you this information because I know when you win, I win. When I win, you win. So guys, make sure to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Get the information in the description box below. See you.